Hey everybody, what's up? It's Nate here, Captain Nader. I'm in the shop. I wanted you guys to share some of my enjoyment that I get out of these things. And so I decided I'm going to do a giveaway. Yes, the first giveaway I've ever done. I've been wanting to do one for a long time, but I'm ready to do this and I can't wait to share this with you guys. So I'm going to be giving away either this one or the version 2 Vader helmet to one of you guys or girls. And all you have to do is be a subscriber, share one of my videos on Instagram, Facebook, or wherever. Doesn't matter. Some social media. Share that and tag me in it. I'll put my name in the description below. I'll put my Instagram, my Facebook, my actual name in the description below. And you can tag me in whatever it is. But that's all you got to do. Be a subscriber, like this video, and share one of my videos. And you get one of these, possibly, if you're the winner. What I'm going to do, because I don't know how to do the whole generate, pick one person out of all of them. I'll have my youngest daughter go through, and I will put everybody in a list there. I'll have my youngest daughter go through and just pick a name, and that's who it'll be. So, yeah, win this. I mean, it's a nice helmet. These are files from 3D Print Armory, like I've told you before. This is the version 1. This one over here is the version 2. It's just a little, the difference is the back part right here comes back a little further. This part comes back a little further. It's a little bit bigger overall. But there's really not a whole lot of differences. But what I'm going to do is I'll whichever one my buddy picks, I'll give the other one away. So I think he's probably going to pick the version 1. So I'll finish the version 2 out, complete it completely like this one, minus the tusks, and ship it out to you. Let's try to keep it, because of the shipping stuff right now, it'd be a nightmare to ship this overseas. I know I have friends and stuff that are in the UK and then other places. I just really don't want to mess with trying to ship something like this outside of the US. Let's try to keep it to the lower 48 if we can, please. So I'm sorry if you're not in the US. I know it's kind of sucks, but if you're in the US, like, comment, subscribe, share this with someone, or share one of my videos. It doesn't matter which one, any one. If you want to share the Death Trooper videos, share one of those. Vader videos, share one of those. Chewie, you can share Chewie. He's just sitting here on a tripod. Any video, it doesn't matter to me. Just share one, and I'll go through and have my daughter pick a name at the end, and one of you guys or girls is going to get a Vader helmet. You can wear it, you can put it on display. It doesn't matter to me. It'll be yours. So, anyways, all right. First giveaway. Let's go.